So let's recap. Detroit, good to be back. We're at Washington Dulles, typically at the airport. This parking lot, completely full. Valet overflows. I'm assuming the lack of cars is probably indicative of the amount of people inside and who flies nowadays.
With service to Detroit. We're absolutely happy you're flying with us today. As you find your seats, place your larger bags in the overhead bin. Help your fellow passengers by holding on to your smaller items and jackets until we've made room for the larger carry-ons. Let us know if you need any assistance finding a place for your bags. We are here to help. On this flight, we offer personal device entertainment on one of our United private screening options. To watch free movies from your tablet or phone, you'll need the latest United app, so please be sure to download it before departure.
First welcome you to Detroit, where the local time is 12:13. We hope you enjoy your time here or wherever your travels take you, and if this is home, welcome home. Please double check your seat back pockets to make sure you have all your belongings, and be careful when opening the overhead bin.
Thank you.
If you're sitting on your window, please close your shade before deplaning.
What's up, Detroit? This is our first production trip. This required an airplane. We're here in Detroit. We're going to be filming about 10 minutes or so before Eric's flight lands from Newark. And then we got to grab our rental car, head downtown, grab some lunch, fly some drone, shoot some photos, explore. What's up, man?
What's up, dude?
How's your flight? How are your bags?
I'm missing. I'm light. I'm light today. I'm lighter because
we just came to Chipotle here, and they're digital only, which means we have to order online, then pick up, eat in our car.
you're getting chips.
I got chips.
You're getting a drink.
I got a drink.
I got this lifestyle bowl.
Welcome to Michigan. I guess they're in like phase 1 right now. All right, quick update. Now we're at ProCam in Livonia, grabbing some labs, Starbucks, then drone downtown.
Later that same evening.
We're filming the brand new I had about 10-15 minutes in between where we had to be, so we flew the drone. Now I'm dumping the footage. a little bright. 6:25 in the morning. Good morning, Detroit. Time to head out. It's really bright out. Looks like Eric got his bag from United.
I'm smiling under this mask.
I'm happy we got everything.
Please bring your seat back up, close your tray table, and fasten your seatbelt. If you've adjusted your headrest, please move those back to its original position. And if you are seated next to a window, please make sure your window shade is up and open for takeoff, landing, and taxiing to the gate once we arrive in Washington, Dulles.
So let's recap traveling during COVID. First production trip that we flew United. Airplane's clean, everyone's wearing a mask. Avis, a little bit different in Detroit. Avis, they don't have the volume that they normally do, so took the bus to Avis, everything was good. Stayed downtown Detroit, Shinola Hotel. Was very impressed with what they've done. From sealing the room, sealing the mini bar, be able to opt out of daily housekeeping, you know, just minimizing the people in the room, which I did. Did not have valet, and I was actually good with that. Just one less person that had to drive my car. I don't know where they've been. So I was good with that. They gave us a voucher to park in the garage, this caddy corner to the hotel. So Shinola, nice job. Other than that, it was an awesome trip. Created a lot of great content for our client. Be showing that stuff later on, probably a month or two out. Flew a lot of cool drone stuff. You know, a lot of the restaurants were open downtown Detroit. Everyone was wearing a mask. At no point did I feel unsafe or did I question anything. Everyone's shocked that I flew, but the reality is it's like just be responsible. Wear a mask. You know, Eric and I wore masks the entire time. Airports were good. You know, the volume of people are just down, so it's just, you know, fewer people to come in contact with, and I'm good with it. So good to be back traveling.
Please wear a mask. Temperature is normal.